Ntokozane ukona bomkhulu makhehla nezalikazi izindlondo zami. So igama nguMahlabezulu ngihamba nokhanyisa. So today I would like for us to touch on dreams. Dreams that a gifted child normally has before azotshelwa mhlawumbe umunye umuntu ukuthi unesipho or mhlawumbe before ayongena ephehlweni. We all dream. Mawumntana ophiwe impilo yethu nje iphupho. Yonke into siyaphupha. Yonke into siyaphupha. Visions, siyaboniswa nje. You understand? So I have a notebook here which I've jotted down quite a few things that I want to talk about. Angifuni mhlambe mangiloye ngibheka phansi mhlambe nibhoreke or something like that, but I just wanted to make it known to you guys ukuthi I've jotted down things, so when you see those things don't get bored, right? So just the first thing I need to tell you, isipho uzalwa naso. Akukho ukuthi mhlambe uzozidobha nje isipho endleleni. No, isipho uzalwa naso. Mhlambe you are not aware because Amaphupho ahamba asidide as abantu. I mean, it's a normal thing, but hayi ukuthi nje uvele wayidobha, uzalwa nayo, and your people will show you ukuthi mamela sinawe sikuwe. Yabona sifuna usithathele umsebenzi. You are a gifted child. You are a child that was picked amongst abanye abantwana. You understand? So ngifuna ukuthi ukunipha ilighting yana for people that mhlambe have been dreaming and they're not really sure ukuthi what do these dreams mean. Ne? You're on the same page. All right. So you do know ukuthi our ancestors, they converse with us. Ancestors, universe, God, they converse with us through dreams or visions. Esikhathini esiningi uzositshela ukuthi hayi mhlambe iphupho kanti no isibonakaliso. So iphupho nesibonakaliso, those are two different things. Ne? Mara, they are there to give a message. And it's message on things that are happening in your life or about to happen, going to happen in future, or mhlambe something that has happened and you've been wondering or asking yourself questions about that thing. Yabona mongakho certain yana umoya wakho ungahlaliseki about something that happened. So iphupho will show you ukuthi enhlek what is it that is happening or what is it that has happened. You understand? Iphupho will show you ukuthi nangu umuntu esifuna ukuthi asithwasise. Sometimes abakubonisi, akukho njalo lapha abazokubonisa khona, but mangabe bakubonisile great. Sometimes bayakubonisa ukuthi nangu umuntu esifuna ukuthi akuthwasise, right? Bayakubonisa ukuthi sifuna uthwase kanjani. Sifuna uthwase ini because ziyahluka ngithi khona isikhosi, khona isinguni, khona abalozi, amadlozi namadlozi ayahluka, khona umndawo and all of that. Bazokubonisa ukuthi sifuna uthwase ini kanjani. You understand? Also bazokubonisa ukuthi sifuna usebenze ngesikhwama esinjani. Mhlambe bathi thina our divination siyenza ngamanzi, siyenza ngokuhlalo, sibamba ubuhlalo and then sihlole. You understand? Mhlambe abanye bathi no thina senza ngamathambo. You understand? Mhlambe abanye bathi no thina silanga amakhandlela. Kulapho ke namhlambe kuzofika uzophupha umprofit mhlambe make efika kuwena afike akubonisa ukuthi wena uzobeka icross la, wena mawuhlahluba ubeka icross la, wenza so. You understand? Is yonke into uzoboniswa yona because umuntu okuhambisa, yes, ugobela ukhona, however uthwasa idlozi lakini eliyofika kubani kuwena. Yebo ngafika kugobela masongenile, mara mina qale kuwe wena. You understand? When the person that is gifted, we are born. So again, one of the dreams that you're going to have, as I've said, ukuthi uyophupha mhlambe izangoma amaprofiti uzowaphupha vele. Mhlambe uphuphe wena mhlambe ufake i-red skirt. I-red skirt igqokwa ke umuntu osephehlweni, ngithi mawuthwasa isinguna ngithi kuyahluka nokuhluka ukuthi abanye bafaka red skirt abanye bafaka black, kuyadependa ukuthi lapho othwasa khona ugqoka njani, but isikhathini esiningi sigqoka ama-red skirt to show ukuthi wena uyithwasa. So uzohamba uziphuphe wena ufake i-red skirt. Bakubonisa ukuthi sithina ubuhlalo bethu sifuna bube kanje. Bakubonise ibhayi You understand? Izinto ozohamba uziphuphe lezo bayi buhlalu gcwele izangoma. Isikhathini esiningi usemfuleni, mawusemfuleni uhamba, you have control over umfula. You understand? Uhamba phezu komfula leyo kunama waves, mara wena you have control over those kind of things. Kulama waves lawo you need to be very wary ukuthi kunani, kunasilwane siphi. Uyabona, mhlawumbe kuno tiger, kuno crocodile, kunenyoka. Inyoka leyo you need to be very wary nakhona ukuthi what color is it? It needs to be white, colorful, white, green, yellow. But it needs to be colorful. When it's black, then it means something totally different. You understand? Also, you must check ukuthi inyoka leyo yenzani. Iyangiluma noma inyoka leyo ihamba hambe iyangikuka, like friendly towards me. You should never be scared. You understand that? Get to vele ukubona into enkulu nyana enkudlanyana izo kuwe izokusarana or something like that. But you need to be very careful ukuthi ungayibalekeni ngoba ithotha miyakini angithi. That's why I mentioned ukuthi abanye uzothola emanzini lawo kune crocodile, kune tiger. It depends ukuthi wena kini, what is your totem? What is your family totem? Isilwane sakini wena siyini. You understand? Ngoba sonke sihamba hambe sinezilwane siba nezilwane ehlukahlukene esihamba nazo. So mhlambe kufika mina kufika inyoka eyelo. Mayifika leyo nyoka eyelo ngiyazi ukuthi oh idlozi lami belikhona fanda. You understand? So you need to be very careful ukuthi fika ini. Mangithi careful angisho ukuthi usala. Ngisho ukuthi ibala smart. Bona ukuthi oh fika idlozi elithize. You understand? Ayahamba hambe makuhamba kwesikhathi ubona sewashintsha. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe idlozi lakho selihambile. Umuntu unamadlozi mhlambe ahlukene. Mhlambe umuntu unamadlozi ahlukene emzimbeni. You understand? Or kuyena not emzimbeni but kuyena. Angithi idlozi futhi likima ngithi. Also ilwane lezo mhlambe sometimes bazobona ukuthi thina sifuna ebhayini lethu ingwe. Yabo? O sifuna inyoka. Yabo? Hayi ukuthi uthwele. Abanye bazothi hayi phupha inyoka shuthi uzothwala na. Sometimes ngoba usemanzini, ngoba unama mermaids uphakathi emanzini. Ungacabanga ukuthi hayi mele ngiyongena emanzini. Hayi, yebo there's a process eyenziwayo mawuthwasa eyasemanzini. Hayi ukuthi wena mina ngiyothwasa emanzini obazongithwasisa. Bese uphinda ubuze thina ukuthi bathi ngibazongithwasisa bese uphinda ubuza thina esithwasini. Stout. Naughty. Anyways, also the biggest dream mina eyangikhathaza kakhulu, dreaming of school. Uqedile isikole but you busy dreaming of school. Even noma usasesikoleni because kwangihlupha ngisase primary. Usasesikoleni you feel ngathi man khona homework engayiqedile la. Ngosikhathi you finished everything. You understand? So ayesikolo isho ukuthi isikolo sephehlo leso kumele uyosingena. So you need to be very careful of that. Leyo number 1. Eyesikolo manzi number 1. And what else? I think I've touched on most of them. The other one, upuba use on top of mountains and top of big buildings. Ungafuni ukuwa. Ungawi. You in high power. Nani power wena uphezulu because of the gift that you have. I gift yethu lena esinayo it's big bafethu. Can we just understand that? Inkulu iphezulu. You understand? So that as well, it is very important. Every time mawuphupha, you must check your feeling. Mangabe inyoka iyakuluma, itiger iyakuluma, crocodile iyakuluma. It means idlozi lakho likhulumile nawe. Like kudala likutshela ukuthi sifuna kanje, yenza kanje, but you don't listen. Sometimes people have told you ukuthi hayi mele uyothwasa but when you are stubborn. Seliza mali lizalula. Yabona mali za kanjani selaqala lakumoshela. Likumoshela kwasani in real life now. Limosha kwamsebenzi, likuthathela kwamsebenzi, sakwa boyfriend, kwa girlfriend, limosha kwamshado because abanye abantu they become aware mabesemshadweni ukuthi I have this gift. Ne? They become njani aware, not ukuthi libaqale asemshadweni. They become aware sebashadile ukuthi mele ayenzani ayophethisa. Mawuphethisa wenzani uyahamba uyothwasa. Yabo? So limoshela your finances cliff kemoshela. So you need to be very careful on that. Ngoba masebenza manje sewakwatile, you don't want that. So I think I've touched on most of them. I've touched on most of them. So if ukhona mhlambe ugogo that has things that I didn't mention and mhlambe ufuna add on, it would be great. We're only helping other people because abanye abantu abazi ngoba bangazi ngamampela, not ukuthi bayazenzisa ngamampela, they don't know ukuthi they are gifted. And okubuhlungu njalo lokutshela ukuthi you are gifted but awukwazi wayiphuphela, or you haven't really paid attention to amaphupho akho. Isikhathini esiningi you need to be cleansed. When you get cleansed so that uzokhumbula amaphupho akho, angithi. But also have a book on the side of your bed. Mawuphupha into phaphama ubela ubhale ukuthi uphuphe ini, describe everything, surroundings, people that were there, bebagqoke ini. Uyabona, that is very, very important because it will give you a direction on how indlela yakho is going to be. And then mase ungenile ephehlweni eqaleni ukungena kwakho, they will then show you, or sometimes ungakangeni, they will then show you ukuthi mase uvumile, angithi ungakangena bazokubonisa ukuthi okay, thina sifuna usiphethisele ngenkomo enje, ngembuzi enamabalabala so or engenabala emhlophe nje qwa or ebrown. Like idlos lapho will tell you exactly how they want their things to be done, how they want their ceremony to be carried away. So can we be very mindful